Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are fine. I am Harjinder Kaur, and today we are going to learn EVS Chapter 4 Food.
In the previous two videos, we have discussed about different types of food: energy giving food, protective food, and bodybuilding food. And we have also discussed about importance of drinking milk, stop eating junk food, and raw versus cooked food, and the importance of drinking water. And our today's topic is vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. So, food items such as vegetables, fruits, milk, and milk products are called vegetarian food. And some people eat only these kinds of food, they are called vegetarian. They don't eat fish, meat, and eggs. And next we have non-vegetarian food. Some people eat food items such as meat, fish, eggs, milk products, and plant products. They are called non-vegetarian. And generally we get these food items from animals, and these food items are called non-vegetarian food. Now we have third category, and that is vegan. Some people eat only plant products. They don't like to eat food which comes from animals, and they don't eat milk products, and they are called vegans. They only eat food that comes from plant. Next we have good eating habits on page number 22 of your book. We must follow some rules while eating. Take the rules you follow at home. Number 1. Do not spill food and water. Number 2. I do not waste food. I take only as much as I can finish. Number 3. I chew the food well. Yes, we should chew the food well. Number 4. I do not talk with the food in my mouth. Yes, we should not talk while eating the food. Number 5. I do not watch television while eating. I enjoy my meal. Yes, we should enjoy the meal instead of watching television or mobile phones. So, as you can see the picture, don't eat too fast. It means we should eat slowly and chew the food well. In the next picture, don't talk while eating. It means we should not talk with the food in our mouth. We should silently have our meal and enjoy the meal. Now, with these topics, our chapter is finished. And now, with the help of this mind map, we will recapitulate all the topics which we have discussed. So, number 1, we have different types of food. In this, we have 3 categories: energy giving food, number 2, protective food, and number 3, bodybuilding food. Energy giving food, the food which gives us energy to do work. Number 2, protective food, the food which protects us from diseases. Number 3, bodybuilding food, the food which gives us strength to grow. Next we have balanced meal, which means when we need to eat small quantities of each type of food in our meal, such meal is called a balanced meal. As you can see in the mind map, In the balanced meal, we have to eat
Food and drink.
water, and next we have to avoid eating junk food. Number 3, we have cooked and uncooked food. Some food items we can eat raw, but some other food items like pulses, potato, wheat, eggs, fish. These food items need to be cooked before eating. Next, we have vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Food items such as fish, meat, eggs are non-vegetarian food items. And fruits, vegetables, plant products, milk products, these are vegetarian food. And in this we have another category, that is vegan. Vegan means they only eat plant products. At the end we have good eating habits. And we must follow some rules while eating, such as do not waste food, do not talk with the food in your mouth, and do not spill food in water. Don't waste food. Dear children, your chapter is finished and we have back exercise of this chapter on page number 23 of your book. So first we have fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash and dash are bodybuilding food. Milk and eggs are the bodybuilding food. Number 2. Some food items are cooked before eating and some are eaten dash. The answer is raw. Number 3. Dash helps us to get strong bones. Yes, milk helps us to get strong bones. So you should drink milk daily. Number 4. Dash do not eat eggs, fish and meat. Yes, vegetarian. Number 5. We should eat a dash meal every day. We should eat a balanced meal every day. B. Write yes or no. Number 1. We should always waste food. No. Number 2. A balanced meal includes different types of food items in right amount. Yes. Number 3. Water helps us to digest the food we eat. Yes. Number 4. Vegans eat food that comes from animal? No. Vegans eat only plant products. Number 5. We can eat all food items raw. Can you eat raw egg? Can you eat fish without cook? No. Part C. This is a word grid and find and circle the name of 5 food items that we can eat raw. So, in this grid, first line, you can circle cucumber. Cucumber we can eat as salad. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. In the second line, you can circle mango because we can eat mango raw. Mango not need to be cooked. Number 3, in third line, apple. And in the fourth line, you can circle tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. And in the last line, you can circle guava. G-U-A-V-A. So, with this exercise, we have done this chapter. Students, do your back exercise on the book. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much.